Good morning, children. Welcome to Computer Class Part 5. Chapter 4. More on OpenOffice Writer. Undo or redo. Undo is used to cancel a command given earlier. To undo, click the undo icon on the standard bar. Redo command is used to reverse the action of undo. To redo, click redo icon on the standard bar. Now, this is your undo button and this is your redo button, which is given on standard toolbar. Now, let me explain you what you can do with the help of undo and redo buttons. Like here it is written, a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. So first of all you have to delete this. How you will delete? I have already discussed this before. How you will delete? First you will select it and then you can press delete button. Now here it is deleted. The sentence has two parts. It is deleted. Understood? This is simple. Now, what is the use of undo and redo button given on standard toolbar? As you have already deleted the subject and predicate. Now you want it back. What you can do to get it back? You can type it again from your keyboard. And there is one other option, that is you can click on undo icon given on standard toolbar. As you will click on undo button, it will appear again on your screen. So undo cancels the last action. It will cancel the last action that you have deleted. So it will cancel it and it will appear again on your screen. Now, what is redo? Now you want to delete it back. So you can click on redo button given on standard toolbar. Spelling and grammar. OpenOffice checks spelling and grammar automatically as you type. It displays wavy red underlines to indicate possible spelling errors. While typing in OpenOffice Writer, if you have written any wrong spelling, then it will underline with red wavy line so that you can check it. Now, as you can see, it is written, I am in class 4th. My uncle spelling is wrong over here, so it is underlined with red wavy line. The lives in Delhi. Again, Delhi spelling is wrong, so it is underlined with red wavy line. To correct the spelling errors, right click on the word with the wavy red underline and then select the correct spelling. As you have seen that OpenOffice Writer underlined the wrong spellings with the red wavy line. How you are going to correct those wrong spellings? Now, as you can see, the uncle spelling is wrong. You have to click on that word and then click on correct spellings. You will see a drop down box will appear with the correct spelling and then you can choose the correct spelling. Right click the word and then select correct spellings. Understood? Now, shortcut keys. To check spelling and grammar, you can also press F7. To redo, Ctrl plus Y. To undo, Ctrl plus Z. You can also check spellings and grammar for the complete document all at once. Means after completing your typing, you can check all the wrong spellings all together. To check spelling and grammar for the complete document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click spelling and grammar icon on the standard bar. Step 2. The spelling dialog box appears with the wrong spelling highlighted in red and with a list of suggestions. Choose the required word from the list and click on Change button. So, how you are going to check spellings and grammar after completing your typing? So, the button is given over here. This is spelling and grammar button given on standard toolbar. This is your standard toolbar and this button is given over here, spelling and grammar. You have to click on this button. As you will click on this button, you will see this box will appear on the screen and all the wrong spellings will appear over here and it will appear with the suggestions. You can select the correct word and then click on this change. So this step 2 is choose the correct word and then click change. This is how you can check all the wrong spellings you have written. Tables. A table is made up of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns create boxes called cells. Tables are often used to organize and present information. So you have seen table. Yes, this is called table. And this is your column. This is your column. This full thing is your column and these are your rows. These are your rows and one single box is called cell. Any box here, any box is called a cell. You have understood what is column, row and cell. Inserting tables. To insert a table in OpenOffice Writer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the drop-down list arrow of the table on the standard bar. Step 2. Select the number of columns and rows by dragging the mouse over the small boxes. Now, this is the table option given on the standard toolbar. Step 1 is click table drop down list. You will click on the table drop down list. So this box will appear and from here you can select the number of rows and columns you want. As you have selected 3 rows and 3 columns over here, you can see 3 rows and columns has appeared on the screen. This is how you can insert table in OpenOffice Writer. Thank you and have a nice day.